Hello friends, today I'm going to explain how to group based on the names. For example, I'm just taking all the function names which is existing in the Java 8. So I will be grouping based on the function name. All the consumer will be in the one list. I will keep it in the map. All the key and list, key and value pairs. So the key will be the name consumer and value will be the list of consumer classes. So let's go on code how we can achieve in the Java 8. So I have already reading the data from the function names from the text file, so which is already have created and keep it. I have already 43 the class names are there, the function names are there, uh, function interface names. So we can convert this into an group of an consumers, group of an function, group of an predicate, group of an operators, group of an supplier. We can make it all the segregation. So what I have to do is, the first we have to, as usual, we have to convert into a stream. This one have to convert into the flat map. What I am doing in the flat map, I am just creating an these are the names. I will be creating a map of an string, and then string comma string, key value pair is a string, and the flat map is equal to, I'm just adding all the values to a map based on the names. If suppose if my names contains a consumer, I will add that into a map saying that consumer comma names. Okay, have to do same thing for all the strings. So let's take another, the final is else. I totally haven't. So let's take a function. This is a function. I have to put all the function data. This is a function, and the next is a predicate. I have to use a predicate, and what are the supplier? I have a supplier, and the last one is an operator. Okay, so finally what I have to do, I have to return this to an ternary operator, that is a to collection operator. So what I am doing, I am returning this flat map dot interset dot stream. I'm just returning this. So after the return, I have to collect in the collector map. So in the collector map, what I have to do, have to collect the data base group by, have to make it a group by. So what I have to do, we have an static method in the collectors dot class, the collectors dot mapping. Sorry, I have to use a group by. Have to use a group by based on the value. Have to use a group by based on the key and value pairs. What I have to do, I have to use a map dot entry and get key. So what I have to do, I have to collect to an list. So in the previous video I have shown how to collect a name to a list. We can watch out for the more information. So what I have to do, let's say we have another method called mapping. Can say collectors dot mapping. Have to map all the values to a list. What values? The map dot entry dot get values to an collectors dot a to list. Have to convert all the value to a list grouping by based on the key. However, we passing the key in the flat map, I'm just converting that into an and the list of an map. Okay, so I'm converted into the map, so I will store it in the key as a string and the values are the list of a string. So let's print how much we have. Collect, I can say, yep, I can see all the operator by only operator kind of data we have. And then if you go to the function, yes, by function, double to int function. So I haven't. So total I have how much I have 43 list names are there. So let's check whether I have all the 43 records. What I have to do, collect and less. Okay, I will collect this to an enter set and the stream, and I have to, what I have to do, I have to map to an int. Only have to send the size of each values a list. Okay, so we'll say we don't only, I need only a value, just need a value dot size. I will make this as a sum and store it in the variable out. It's a sum. Let's run this. We'll see how much we have. Yeah, I can see all the 43 stored in the map. So this is how we have to convert, means group the data based on the names. So I just taken example of all the function names so that we can make out very easily. So this we can use it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.